Hey guys, welcome back to DeFi Passive Income. So today we are taking a look over CZ's Kitchen, which is recently launched. So the thing that differentiates them from other miners is that these guys are offering a treasury, which we have not seen in any of the previous miners which I have covered on my channel. So the first ever BNB miner ecosystem that combines a treasury, P2E, NFTs and an incubation program. So we will cover this treasury and incubation in a minute. Currently the contract balance is 2668 BNBs and this miner is launched recently, so that's why the contract balance is low, and their daily returns is 8% with APR of 2920. Deposit fee is 8% and currently the treasury balance is 126 BNBs. So by now you know the drill. What happens in these types of protocols, when you commit your BNB, suppose if you are committing 1 BNB, then this 1 BNB will be our sunk cost, which means you cannot withdraw it as it is. The only way you can get this back is through the daily rewards. So when you commit your 1 BNB over here, you will click the enter the kitchen, which is the deposit button. It will convert your 1 BNB into chefs, and these chefs will generate dishes. So the higher number of chefs that you have, the more dishes they will generate for you per day, and the more number of dishes that you will generate per day will generate more rewards for you per day in the form of BNB. So these protocols works on a strategy called 6:1, where you compound 6 days a week and claim your reward on the 7th day. So suppose if you are committing your 1 BNB on Monday, then on Tuesday you will click on the higher chefs button, which is basically the compound button, and you will keep doing this until Saturday. But on Sunday you will click on the claim button and it will take the rewards generated for Sunday into your MetaMask wallet or any other wallet that you use. Now if you start claiming your rewards daily, then your daily percent would decrease. It can go up to like 1 or 3%. So this is the basics of these types of miners. Now coming over to their ecosystem, there will be a marketplace, an incubator and a P2E game. So now coming over to their white paper. So what is CZ's Kitchen? It is a decentralized BNB miner rewards pool protocol built on the Binance Smart Chain, the most innovative and first ever ecosystem of its kind. So you deposit your BNB into the rewards pool and you earn daily from it. Your deposit is locked forever and you cannot withdraw it. This is their differentiating factor as well, the incubation program. We will be the first miner protocol that incubates other miners. To incubate a project means that we will take care of their contract, marketing, social media, profiles, management, designs. So simply they will build up their projects from scratch, and after incubating, a fee between 1 and 3% will be hard coded in the contract, and that fee will be going into our contract balance. So this is their business model. Let me just zoom in a bit so you guys can see. This is their NFT line, and 10% of the royalties will go to the miner protocol. And from the incubator, 1 to 3% tax on each transaction will be hard coded in our customer's contract. P2E game, 5% tax on each transaction will go into the miner protocol. And there is a usual 3% fee from all the deposits and claims which will go to the treasury. And this is their roadmap. I am not going to go through all of this, but you should read this. And this is the 6:1 strategy which I was talking about earlier in the video. So compound 6 days a week and claim on the 7th day. And those who claim too often will be punished with an ever decreasing interest rate. So I will leave all the links down in the description box below. Please go through them yourself and do your own research. So guys, this is it. This is the another BNB miner CZ's Kitchen. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. And that's it for today's video. If you have liked the content, please do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.